Hi, good afternoon. My name is Morgan. Welcome to Bela Family Dentistry. I'm one of the patient advocates here. I'll be showing you around today at your visit. So while you're waiting in our reception area, feel free at our beverage station here to grab yourself a drink, water, coffee, make yourself comfortable while you wait for your hygienist. Before we get started though, I'd like to take you on back for a little tour. All right, as we come on back, I do want to make known, we do have a patient restroom here. So if at any time you need to go before your appointment or during your appointment, let us know and we'll show you to where that is. This is one of our consultation rooms. I will meet you here at the end of your visit, and any treatment that the doctor has recommended for you, we'll go over one-on-one and get you scheduled back. As we come on back, we're going to enter the clinical area here. You'll see a couple of hygiene rooms that we have. You'll also notice that we do have digital x-rays. These x-rays are very minimal radiation, and they also have really great clerical views so the doctors can better diagnose. What I'm really excited to show you is our microscope. This is a proactive tool that our hygienists will use to help identify any bacteria that could be harmful to your body. As we move along, we have our sterilization area. This is where our assistants in the back and our hygienists properly clean, sterilize, and package every instrument just for you at each appointment. Another exciting service that we offer here is our injectables. We offer Botox, our Jupiterm filler, and also our Beverages skincare, which is a medical grade skincare that a lot of us here at Bela use and we really enjoy. And our last destination will be to your Operatory, where your hygienist will take really great care of you. And I will personally see you at the very end to make sure you have the best experience ever.